Hey everyone, welcome to week 10. Okay, so this week is going to be all delivered actually via a wiki. So within the week 10 content within Blackboard, you'll see to join the wiki, go to the wiki page and you can just click on the link there and then use the join code that you see there. And you should see something after you do that that looks like this. So within here, this is the Hybrid Transformation Institute wiki on Wikispaces that I created, and this is where I want the week's content to be run through. So I have a pre and post survey, a couple of serious questions, and one kind of fun question. So click on the survey. And then I have a few readings. So there's some really good resources online, and that really go really well in depth with as far as getting a baseline understanding of blogs, wikis, and even discussion boards as well. And both of these are actually through the Education Department and Vanderbilt University. So definitely read through those. It has external links, it has resources, etc. Really rich reading there. And then there's just some real quick commentary through Faculty Focus website here as far as wikis in the classroom, a blog, and using a blog in the classroom, etc. So really the content is going to be driven through interacting with and just doing some reading. And nothing's too long, but I think it'll give you a lot of good ideas and good understanding of the content. And I know during the face-to-face time that we had with everyone, Lance and everyone kind of discussed the different ways that we're using blogs and wikis within the classroom. So then really what I want is, the rest of the week will be driven by these pages. If you can see my cursor here, these pages on the right-hand column. So using a blog in your class, go ahead and click that. And then within the discussion, I want you to post ideas for using a blog in your classroom. Maybe it's an assignment, a collection of artifacts, a group project, you sharing a video, different things like that. And maybe also reflect on potential advantages and challenges of using the blog within the class. And then my hope is it's going to be an authentic discussion, and as everyone contributes to this wiki, we can kind of create a portfolio of ideas where we can kind of help each other out, because even in the hybrid transformation or the face-to-face time, I mean Mary, myself, Lance, we were learning a lot from you guys. So this whole community of learning is really great. So just add to the discussion, go ahead and post, and then I hope everyone can just kind of have a nice discussion there. So that's for blog. I have another one similar for discussion board, and then another one for wikis. So as you go through the readings, or as you go through the readings and the different things, try to come up with some ideas as far as using these different web tools within your classroom. Now again, this doesn't mean your whole classroom's run through there. It could be one simple thing. It could be an assignment, or it could just be it doesn't even have to be an assignment. It could just be you posting a video of something, or I can even see uses in what you guys created during the face-to-face session. Also, to give you an idea on how to use the different there's different blogs. There's Glogster, there's Google Blogs that you can use, and obviously Wikispaces that we're on now for wikis. Just a couple FYI videos on how to use them, and maybe some of the ideas of using them within your classroom. Again, these aren't required, just kind of FYI. So yeah, so that's basically how the week is going to go. One thing also to consider as far as when you're posting your comments or ideas for blogs or wikis or discussion boards, really think about the goals of the learning activity. Is this going to be individual or group? Is it for the whole class? Is this going to be shared with the whole web, or do you want it private within your classroom? Do you want it graded or non-graded? How are you going to give feedback? Again, the interactions, is it a student-to-student interaction? Is it student-instructor interaction, that loop there? Again, is it one time or is it ongoing? Is it a common workspace, or maybe is it just going to be a presenting platform that the students kind of gather ideas with each other? And then is it only available during the course, or is it available forever? So I know I went through that list pretty quickly, but think of those things as you're thinking of ideas of how to use it. And remember, there's no right or wrong way. There's not one way. We've kind of used a lot of these as trial and error. Please be creative if you want with your post, even if you have something you'd like to create, to put in here other than a discussion, if it allows for you to attach files or that type of thing as well. Uploading a file or anything like that. Anything you may find, feel free. Let's let the wiki kind of be creative and see what we can come up with. So. Anyway, that's all the talking for me this week. You'll be glad to know there will be no other lecturing or anything else, but again, the week's content is going to be run through the wiki space here. If you do have any problems joining the wiki space through these instructions, just shoot me an email, tmiller@nova.edu. Again, it was a pleasure meeting with all of you, working with all of you, and it was a lot of fun doing the Face-to-Face Institute last week. And I look forward to all of us continuing within the course and beyond the course, kind of sharing ideas and helping each other out in this endeavor of education. So thank you, and we will talk to you soon.